Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So few months before I went Andaman. So in this video I'll show you my all outfit which I wore in my Andaman trip. So guys, I just captured this view from my flight, and the moment I saw this view, I was just thinking like this trip was going to be something special. Why? Because blue sky, blue sea, and the whole vibe felt unreal. And yes, I choose Season for this journey. So let's start. So we started our trip with calmness and peace, and this beautiful Buddha statue was right at our hotel, and the vibe here was just perfect, quiet and relaxing. And honestly, the hotel itself was too good. Okay, so this look was one of my favorite, easy, stylish, and super wearable. The green wide leg jeans are from Myntra and price is just rupees 7.99. Super comfortable for sightseeing. I paired with crop top from Show Off, which I got just rupees 3.99. And what I love the most, the side cut details in this jeans. It's give instantly party wear vibes, even though it's a basic top. Since I wore this at cellular jail and it was day, so I have added a pink shirt from Zudio. It was just giving totally a different look, and it was super affordable. Price is just rupees 4.99. I have another one here. This was my last day airport look, and honestly it gave totally jumpsuit vibe, but actually you can imagine this black top and white leg pant from Myntra, and both are totally different. This is not at all jumpsuit, this is just jeans and top, which is perfectly going with office energy, team outing, and street shopping as well. I have another one, this white dress beach look. You might have seen this before because I had shared this short clip earlier as well. I wore this white dress on beach day, and yes, this is also from Andaman, so that is the reason I have shared here as well. Dress is from Myntra and lightweight and so flowy. After this, I have this last part of the video. This is all about mix street find with online pics. The white high neck top is from Amazon. This is super comfy for travel. After this denim cap. This is really cool, right? Pink printed dress also was picked up during street shopping, light and fun for the beach. And yes, the glitter in my hair, that is shimmer stand it from Amazon too, just perfect for little glam touch. That was my little gateway to Andaman, filled with colors, calm, and whole lot of happy vibes. Thank you for being a part of it. I'll keep sharing more travel and style moment. Till then, take care and stay stylish.